Tonight on the J-Ray channel, we're going to be going to the Grove Park Inn for the 31st Annual National Gingerbread House Competition. Yes, friends, that's right. It's that time of year at the Grove Park Inn again. Christmas time, which means only one thing: very limited parking. But if you're fortunate enough to, whoa, this guy almost ran into us, find a spot to park, then come on inside and check out all the amazing gingerbread houses on display. The Grove Park Inn is an iconic hotel located in Asheville, North Carolina, that's been a vacation destination for many people, from common folk all the way up to celebrities and presidents. There's tons of rich history located in this establishment, and just a walk through in one day is not enough to tell the whole story. But I'll be quiet so that now you can enjoy looking at some amazing gingerbread houses and listen to some beautiful Christmas music. several entries that didn't make the top 10, but they were still on display. And they were really nice. Lots of hard work, intricate details, and a lot of great themes. Oh, looks like Santa's gonna need a lawyer. I really wish I could tell you what's going on here, but I have no idea. But it looks kind of Christmassy. Jiminy Cricket, would you look at the time? It's almost time to show you the grand prize winner. Now this looks pretty funny. I'm just going to leave this right here. Just look at the detail on this rug. That had to take a long time. But I will say that so many of the entries that didn't place were so well thought out and well executed, they all deserve some type of special recognition. This violin was created by the longest standing competitor. Man, look at the work and the detail on that. And the grand prize winner, Christmas at the Tonkonen, by the Difficult Dessert Devotees, a group including members named Faith Ann and Deborah Kenton from Fuquay Varina, North Carolina. That was a mouthful, kind of like Subway when you tell them to put everything on it. Good work, Team 3D. I would say your name again, but my tongue hurts. So if you're in Asheville, or you've got the gas money to make it up here, stop by the Grove Park Inn and enjoy all the Christmas decorations and displays, and the gingerbread houses. And you can also stop by a life-size gingerbread house inside and get a cup of hot chocolate from Photo Bomber. Merry Christmas from me and Brianna at the J-Ray channel. And make sure to like and subscribe.